What's up, guys? Steve back again for Card Breaking Now. We're doing our second McDavid Mania Raz of the night. Top name after 4, taking home the box. We only have 5 left right now. Let's hope it's a good one. Live. Good luck. It is 11:03. Darren with the bookends and everybody in between. So top name after 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Is it timestamp? Timestamp on 3 is at 11:03. 11:03. Last and final top name is Darren, spot 10. Taking home McDavid Mania. We're going to crack it for you as soon as possible, so keep your eyes there. We'll tag you. Here's your last and final timestamp. Darren in spot 10. Last and final timestamp says 11:03 and 11:03, just about to turn 11:04. So congratulations again, Darren in spot 10. After 4th random, you are taking home McDavid Mania. Congrats, guys.